pipe. So far we discussed about what's a pipes are transformations provided by the Angular framework. What are the pipes provided by Angular framework, sir? You already know. What are they, sir? The first one, string related pipes, sir. String data related pipes. What are the pipes are applicable for string data? Uppercase, lowercase, title case. Uppercase, lowercase, title case. For the number related one, what are the pipes are available, sir? What are the pipes are available? Currency, number, as well as we are having what's it? Percent. For the object data, what is the pipes are available? JSON. For array, slice, Finally, we are having what's it? For the date related data, we have the date related pipe. For the date related data, we have the date related pipe. So these are the ones are available by default. Now my requirement is I want to create my own pipe. I want to create my own pipe. How to do this, sir? Very simple. We are going to follow the same procedure as we do earlier. So first step. What is the first step, sir? Create a class. Create a class and provide at the rate pipe decorator. What is the first step, sir? Provide the decorator. Sorry. Create a class and provide the at the rate pipe decorator. Provide what, sir? At the rate pipe decorator. So adu so what is the first step, sir? Create a class and provide at the rate pipe decorator. And what is the next one? At the rate pipe decorator. The next one, provide transform method. What is the method I need to provide? Provide transform method. This method accepts the value as a parameter. So pipe, what is the purpose of the pipe, sir? Accept the value and convert the value and display the value. That is why provide transform method. The method name always I need to take. There is a standard, sir. What is the standard? Transform method and value as a parameter. Value as a parameter. The value we want to transform, accept the value, convert the value, and return the value. Converted value. So this is the way we are going to do. So let me save this one. CustomPipe. That's good. So let's do the programming and let us understand one by one. I'm starting with the basic program. Open, recent. Guys, again I'm telling, tomorrow we have the class. Tomorrow we have the class and the class timings are the same, 8 to 10. 8 to 10. And tomorrow in tomorrow class, I will show you how to work with the Node.js and how to create a REST API by using the Node.js and how to communicate with the MongoDB. How to communicate with the MongoDB. So all this one we are going to discuss in the tomorrow class. Tomorrow class. Please be prepared for that. Please be prepared for that. As well as I will. So again, I'm telling what is the topics of tomorrow. I will show you how to work with the Node.js, how to create a REST API by using the Node.js, and how to integrate with the Node.js with the database, and how to secure your REST API. All these three topics tomorrow I'm going to discuss. All these three topics tomorrow I'm going to discuss. So please attend that class. That is very, very important. Don't think that I'm a Java developer, why I need Node.js, and I'm a .NET developer, why I need Node.js. Because nowadays every person need to have the idea about multiple technology, not a single technology. That is why have the knowledge. So right now today I'm creating one simple program. What is the one, sir? Basic. First, let us start with the simple example, then I can create a big example. Now observe, I want to create a pipe. How to create the pipes? A hyphen pipe. What is the pipe name I am taking? Basic. Now observe, automatically we have the one and basic, the value we want to transform. So this is the way we are going to write the code. So very simple. What is the how to create the pipes? Create a class and provide the @pipe decorator and as well as provide the transform method. So right now I'm expecting a string data. That is why I'm providing string and I'm returning also what data, sir? String. So I am not writing anything fancy here. Very simple. Return value dot to uppercase. So right now I am doing the uppercase transformation. So right now I created the pipe. What is the next step, sir? Third one. Register the pipe. What is the next one? Register the pipe in module decorators. In module decorators. Sorry, why so many mistakes? Declarations. In module what's the declarations. So let me copy this code in our notes. So this is the way we are going to configure. So this is the next step. Now the next step will be register in the module decorators, sorry, declarations, app component, comma, what is the pipe I am going to configure? Basic pipe. Next one, code is completed, means logic is completed, logic is registered, then usage. Then usage. Very simple. I'm going to create one simple message colon. What is the one? What is the type of message? String. String data IDs. Now I am providing combination of capital letters and small letters. Custom pipe example. So message is MSG. So this is the way we are displaying the one. Now observe, I need to use my own pipe. What is the pipe name I am using? Message. So use the pipe in the template. What is the one, sir? Register the pipe. And fourth one, use the pipe in the template. So this is the way I'm going to do. Now remember, observe, this one should match with the pipe name. This one should match with the pipe name. You can configure as you whatever the name you like. You can configure whatever the name you like. So this is the way we are going to do. So observe, what is the first step, sir? Observe here, sir. What is the first step? Create a class and provide the @pipe decorator. What is the next one? Provide the transform method and configure value as a parameter. You can configure any variable, sir, but we need to have at least one parameter. And what is the next one? Register the pipe in the module declaration and use the pipe in the templates. Use the pipe in the template. So let me configure this one also so that it is very easy for you to practice. So these are the 4 steps if you want to configure any pipe. Now observe, whatever you write in this one, it is specific to the requirement. Do you agree with this statement? If you configure any pipe, sir, if you configure any pipe, if you configure any pipe, the 4 steps are common, but what will change, sir? The code you are going to write on 14th line. Do you agree with this statement? You can configure whatever the pipes are, but what is the one? Only the logic will change. Configuration is almost same. Configuration is always same. That is what as a programmer we need to do. So this is the pipe which transforms the value. Sir, I want to provide some configuration, creating the parameterized pipe. So what is this one? I want to provide some configuration parameter. How to do this one, sir? Very simple. The same example with a different logic. Observe, comma, comma, param1. You can configure any variable name, sir, but I am giving what is the value param1. So this is the way you can write as many parameters as you want. Slice pipe is accepting how many parameters, sir? Slice pipe is accepting how many parameters? Two. Very good, Pradhan. Very good, Ravi. Very good, Nagendra. That is what the clarity, sir. Again, I'm telling, if you practice on the day itself, the continuity will be there in your learning. It is easy to follow. So right now, observe what is the one we are calling param1. Currency is accepting how many argument, how many parameters, sir? Currency usually take how many arguments? One. Number, sir? Number. A dot B hyphen C. Complete one argument, sir. Not two or three. Okay, it is complete one argument which is available in the codes. Which is available in the codes. Please, can you please verify that? Observe what is the one? Equal to equal to. What is the value I am taking? Upper. What is the value I am taking? Upper. Now in the same way, otherwise, if param1 equal to, what is the value, sir? Lower. Return value dot to lowercase. So this is the way I can configure. So this is the way we are going to create our parameterized pipe. This is the way we can create our parameterized pipe. So configure what's the value you want to transform, and first step in the transform method, provide the parameters. So the transform method at the time, what are the arguments we are having, sir? Value you want to transform, and as well as what's the parameters you need for the transformation. And these are the things. And in the template, provide the values. In the template, provide the values. So let us go to the app component. Here I'm going to provide the values. What is the value I'm going to provide, sir? Uppercase. Line break. And what is the one, sir? Lowercase. Let us run the program. CMD. And yes, sir. Nobody. ng init condition only available in the component, not with the pipes. Not with the pipes. Okay. We can discuss in the ng on init on Monday or Tuesday, buddy. Okay. Don't bother about that. 2 more days. That's it. Life cycle related things. Okay. I guess it is completed successfully. Now let us access the application localhost colon 4200. Now tell me, this transformation is provided by Angular or our own implementation, sir? Our own implementation. Why? Because we created our own pipe. What is the pipe I created, sir? Basic pipe. So this is the way I'm going to work with the things. Now let us expand this one with some more configuration. So I'm going to give you the another example. It is what's a reverse the string. Reverse dot pipe dot ts. Reverse dot pipe dot ts. So very simple. A hyphen pipe. What is the pipe name I'm taking? Reverse and the pipe name is reverse pipe, and it will accept the string data and it will return the reverse string. Now observe, very simple. Let data. Let data. Now I am asking how you are going to do reverse a string, sir. How you are going to reverse a string. Now tell me, if I give the ABC input, what will be the output, sir? What it should be the output? CBA. Very good. That's a easy question and it is not a IIT JEE question, buddy. Thank you very much. So very simple. So right now, what is the how to implement logic? So don't write the logic immediately, sir. Very simple. Create a loop. What is the one? Create a loop. Why? Because there are multiple characters are there, and read the character from end and append to the string. So very simple, sir. So what is the first one? Create the loop. So why? Because how many characters are there? There are multiple characters are there. Or in real time, multiple characters are there. That is why what is the one, sir? Create the loop. In the loop, what is the logic, sir? Read the character. Read the character and append to the string. Append to the string. For the first iteration, what will be the value, sir? C. For the second iteration, what is the value will be? It's going to be access the B. And for the third iteration, what will be the value will be there, sir? CBA. This is what the logic I need to write in my loop, in my pipe or not? Do you agree with this logic, sir? Yes, very easy, sir. Very easy. What is the one? Create the loop and don't read from the starting and read from the end. Read from the end. So let me write the logic and let us understand collectively. So very simple. For very simple. What is the one I am writing? For let I equal to. Let I equal to. Now observe. I want to read from the starting or read from the ending, sir. I want to read from the starting or read from the ending. Read from the ending. That is why observe I value should be not equal to 0. It should be equal to what's the value dot. What is the one? Length. What is the one? Minus 1. Value dot length minus 1. And in the same way, I should be greater than or equal to 0. And I plus plus or I minus minus. Guys, I plus plus or I minus minus. Don't say plus plus, my heart will break. So what is the answer? I minus minus. Very good. Now very simple. Data equal to data plus value dot what is the one? Char at of what's sir? I. So for the first iteration, I value will be the I value will read the first character, means what is the last character, and append to the data. For the second iteration, what we are doing? C B. For the third iteration, what is the value, sir? CBA. So this is the way it's going to be work it out. And finally, I am returning, observe, return data. So this is the way we are going to do. Now observe, we are returning the value. Now pipe is created. Now my requirement is, what is the next step, sir? Register the pipe. What is the pipe I am going to register, sir? A reverse pipe. I am registering the pipe. Next step, use the pipe. How to use the pipe, sir? Message is MSG. What is the one? Reverse line break. See, sir, you are able to do this program or not? DCBA. That is what expected output or no? We are giving the value to the pipe, and we need to get what's the reverse of the string. We can get the reverse of the string. So this is the way I am going to do. Sir, okay, now I understand what is the pipe and how it will work. Can you give me the real-time example or the example or the code you used in the project? Okay, I'm going to show you the code what I used in my project, sir. So it is very easy. It is for filtering purpose. It is I am using for filtering purpose. Let me show you. So this is my data. Now I will create means a table and border equal to 1 pixel. Input type equal to text, name equal to ID. So let me show you on the UI. So my requirement is if I type one, I want to see only the first record. If I type if I type two, I want to filter the array, means filter this content with the provided ID. Provided ID. That is why I'm writing a special pipe. The pipe is nothing but what's a content hyphen filter. What is the pipe name I'm using? Content hyphen filter dot pipe dot ts. So a hyphen pipe content filter. Content filter. Now I am asking the question. Right now, this pipe should accept what values, sir? This pipe should accept what values? Number. What values are ID, the user input. I agree with that. The first parameter is what? ID, user input, as well as what I need to accept. The array values. Can I give the clue? What is the another value I need to accept, sir? Array values. I need to accept what, sir? Array values. Now observe here value. It is nothing but what's a array. And in the same way, what is the next one? ID. What is the next one? ID. So this is nothing but ID or any variable. Let me configure it as param1, and this is the way I'm going to configure. This is the way I'm going to configure. Are you following this question, sir? So very simple. So right now, any means right now, how many arrays, how many contents is there? Tell me one value is a collection of values are there. Collection of values. That is why I am providing any array. What I need to do here? Very simple. Filter the data and return the data. Filter the data and return the data. For this one, I am going to write very simple code. Form, because in Angular, if you want to access two-way data binding related one, I need to create the form. Very simple. Ng model equal to id, or let me configure the sid, and pipe, what is the pipe name I created, sir? Content filter, which accepts what value? sid, which accepts what is the value? sid. So sid it is coming. Now I'm removing this part. So in the component I need to create one more property. What is the property, sir? sid. What is one more property? sid. So everything is ready. Now let me open the UI. Before that, when I'm using the ng model, we need to import the forms module. We need to import what module? Forms module. Forms module is available in the import @angular/forms forms module. So everything is ready. Let us go and let us write the code. There is a problem. Why? Because all the UI is not coming. Go to the console. What is the one? No pipe found with name basic. Very good observation, Suraj. What is the problem? We need to import what is the pipe, sir? Content filter pipe also. That is why there is a mistake in the, yes, compiled successfully. Now you can see the, still it is compiling. No. If you see this kind of error, just restart the program. Everything is ready. Now let us do the programming here. I want to search by ID. That is why if the parameter 1 is present, very simple. What is the code, sir? Value dot. What is the one I am calling? Filter. This is by default JavaScript function for each and every data, for each and every object. I need to verify one condition. What is the condition, sir? If the data of ID means for each and every object equal to what is the one, sir? Param1. At the time, what I need to do, return, sir? True. Return true. So again, I am telling this is the JavaScript logic, and else if it is not matches, sir, what I am doing, return false. So this is the selection criteria for the filtering. So what is the selection criteria, sir? If the ID matches with the object ID, return true. If the ID not matches with the object ID, means whatever the user entered ID, it is not matching, at that time return the let current array. Now everything is ready. I'm going to return the current array. Now let us go to the UI. See, 1. Tell me, sir, am I able to do the things or not? Now, if you enter 2, sir, you are seeing the third record. If you enter 45, there is no record, sir. That is why it is returning empty. So, sir, in the same way, I want to add the next one. What is the param2? It is nothing but string. Suppose I want to configure another parameter here. I want to search by name also. I want to search by name also. How it is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Name. So this is the way we are going to do. Comma param2 equal to what is the answer? String. I'm first assigning to the current values with the parameter 1 return the current array. If in the same way, if the parameter 2 is also present, param2 is also present, do the same things. Do the same thing once again. But this time we are going to verify with the name. This time we need to verify with the name. Let me show you. What is the one I'm going to check? 2. And here what is the answer? Name. And this is nothing but what is the answer? Current values dot filter. And finally return the current array. So this is what I'm doing. So right now observe, if only you are entering the parameter 1. If only you are entering the parameter 1, I search by only what's a parameter 1. Sir, I don't search with the parameter, but I want to search with the parameter 1. So this is the way it's going to be do. So right now, if you enter 1, sir, what will happen? There is no such kind of combination. That is why it is giving the empty. So in this way, I implemented in my project. Okay, there is a problem here. Let us go here. Let us go to the component and let us declare the name. Data binding variable. Data binding variable. So this is the way we are going to do. So now tell me, in this way I can create the pipe not only for one component, not only for one parameter, but multiple parameters. But how many times we are doing? But already did this one, sir. So verify. It is 846. That's good. So this is the way I'm going to create the custom pipe, sir. So very simple. Let us revisit our code, sir. Let us revisit our steps. What is the first step? Create a class. And what is the next one? Provide the transform method and value as a parameter. Again, I'm telling you can take ABC also, but always I prefer to use the value. So right now, this pipe is for string transformation. This pipe is for what's a string transformation. That is why value parameter is what's a string. And after creating the code, what I need to do, I need to register in the module declarations area. Register in the module declarations area. And next one, use the pipe in the template. Use the pipe in the template. What is the next one? Creating the parameterized pipe. What I need to do, sir? Not only value, I also need to, I am expecting what's some parameters from the outside world. Some parameters from the outside world. Next one, in the template provide the values. In the template provide the values based on the requirement. So practice this example. without fail, sir. And I will upload this example, and tomorrow we are going to discuss about the Node.js. Guys, I have some work today. I need to go outside. So that's why I'm stopping the class little early, 10 minutes before. But tomorrow we can meet at the same time, 8 o'clock, and we are going to discuss about the how to work with the Node.js. Okay. Thank you very much. Tomorrow means Sunday. Okay. Sunday we have the class. Sunday 8. Okay. Again, I am telling with the words June 7th, Sunday 8 a.m. Okay. Thank you very much. And we can meet tomorrow.